Hey guys, I'm Stephanie, welcome to my channel. So today I'm not doing a reaction video, but a BTS haul slash unboxing, which was really exciting because I kind of went a little overboard and bought a whole bunch of things, and now I get to open them and I'm really excited because it feels like Christmas. And I got things, you know, things. So yeah, all of this stuff is pretty much used. The majority of it is. So just wanted to put it out there so no one thinks that I'm rich, because I'm not. I'm quite broke, and because of BTS, I'm even more broke. So yeah. So I'm gonna open the little things first. Let's open this one. Oh, they put it in a little Christmas card with a little dog. It's so cute. Ah, it's my Jimin photo card. It's so cute. Look at. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Look at his face. Oh, and they even included extra little things. Like a little cute photo card of Hobie. Look at him with his sunglasses, and then a sticker of Yoongi. Oh my goodness, this is the cutest thing ever. What? And then they included little cute stickers. What is this? A little bear? This is so cute. This is so cute. I don't even want to use them. They're so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the next one is this one. Please do not bend. Do not bend. Whoa. Okay, there's a whole bunch of things going on in here. Look at this one of Yoongi, or Yoongi as some people like to call him when he's dressed up like a girl. More Yoongi stickers. These ones are really cute. Oh my goodness. His little cheeks. There's also a Kimmy sticker. And then I got a photo card. Ooh, it's a double-sided one. There's Jimin and there's J-Hope. Hobie looks so elven-like. He looks so ethereal looking. I got 3 muster player cards to complete my set. Well, not complete a set, but finish a set, if you know what I mean. I got Jimin, 5 out of 7. Hobie, 1 out of 7. And Namjoon, 7 out of 7. They're so cute. And then she also gave me three epilogue photo cards of Yoongi. Whoa, okay. Of Yoongi. You have 2 out of 7, 4 out of 7, and 6 out of 7. Man, I feel like he's just staring into my soul. Like, he's just staring into my soul. Oh. Some good looking photo cards. Ooh, wait, what's this? Whoa, okay, I got freebies. More freebies. I got a lot of photo cards, you guys. What am I gonna do with all of these? There's so many. There's so many. Here's Jin. Looks like from the E version of Love Yourself. Yoongi. I think this is from the L version, right? Of Love Yourself. And also Hobie, I think also from the L version of Love Yourself. And then this one is Tae and Jungkook. It looks like from one of their, is it season greetings or was it a summer package? Summer package in Dubai maybe? And then Namjoon and Tae from Wings. Might need to buy another bulletin board because where am I gonna put them all? I don't know. I got another player card set. So here they are. I have, in order, Namjoon, 3 out of 7. Jin, 7 out of 7. Yoongi, 5 out of 7. Hobi, 6 out of 7. Jimin, 6 out of 7. Taehyung, 2 out of 7. And Jungkook, 2 out of 7. These ones are super cute, okay? These ones are super cute. Look at that. Okay, and now time for the bigger packages, which are DVDs. I already have one here that's kind of open. So, the 2016 BTS Live on Stage Epilogue DVD. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at it. It's beautiful. It's so cool. Oh, and I have the photo. Yep. Photo card of Jin. It's so pretty. Like, literally, it's just so pretty. I don't know what to do with myself. It's just, wow. Oh my goodness. And all these photos are so beautiful and clear and high definition. I'm speechless. I believe this is actually the Third Muster photo album because I need a place for all these photo cards because they're not gonna fit on my bulletin board. So, ooh, I love this color. This is such a beautiful color. Oh my goodness. BTS Third Muster photo album. So yeah, you open it up and it just has the, I guess, Third Muster symbol, is that what you would call that? I don't know. And then just places for photos. And then if you go even further, these green pages are for smaller photos, photo cards, things like that. Okay, this next box, I opened the box because I'm impatient, is another DVD. BTS Memories of 2015. This is such a pretty cover. This is so pretty. With like the rose gold logo and everything. Wow, this is really pretty. So here's how the photo book looks like. Here is where the DVD is. This is so pretty. It's so clean and minimalistic, you guys. This is beautiful. Like, even the DVDs. Look at it. Look at how beautiful they look. Dang. Okay. This one doesn't come with a photo card. Why? I don't know. But it doesn't. I know, sad. But, oh well. So there's that, and then next, the Festa Mood Light. You guys, the Festa Mood Light. Let me tell you why I'm excited, because it comes with everything, okay? Including the mini photo cards. Comes with a pack of mini photo cards. They're all transparent, which is really cool, right? And they're all super cute. Look at it. They're all so cute. So you have Namjoon, Jin, Yoongi, Hobi, Jimin, Tae, and Jungkook. they're all so cute. I'm so happy. So those are the photo cards. And then to the light itself, it's in the box. So let me see if I can take it out. It's so pretty. So you have this thing, right? Which looks really pretty, except for the fact it looks kind of scratched, but that's because it has plastic on it. Then you put this onto, I don't know what you call this thing, the stand. And then in the stand, there's a place in the back. You take your cord, you plug this side in, and then you take the other side and plug it into one of those little, I don't know what they're called, the thing where you can plug it into the wall, right? For the power outlet, that thing. And then you press the button and it lights up and it looks really cool and pretty, and I'm really happy. Okay, and the last thing I got is in here. I don't know if you can kind of hear it. Haha! Yes, what you see, is that an army bomb? Yes, it is. So here's how it looks like. Look at it. The little fuse part came off. I think it's in the box, actually. It's fine. I'll glue it. It's fine. But yeah. What else is in the box? It also came with the little dust bag. And also, here's the little strap thing. And the very last thing that's in this box and in this entire haul is the Oh Are You Late To CD. Oh, okay, we're not good. It won't come out. It won't come out, please. Okay. Oh Are You Late To CD. She said it comes with the poster, the photo card of Yoongi, and the group photo card. And then I'm guessing this is the poster. I'll try and open it and see if it can fit in the frame. This is gonna be huge. Oh no, it's too big. Does that work? Can you see that? Maybe not. It's huge. Ooh, this is really cool. Look at that. You open it up. It's almost like those little things they have in like wedding invitations, you know? When you want to be extra fancy. There's the photo card. Hey, he was smiling up at me. Here are the photo cards. Yoongi. The group one. Also, what the heck? What the heck is this? What is this? That's not okay. What the heck? What the heck? They're all... Look at this. These pictures are just... I am stunned. Oh my goodness. These are beautiful pictures. What is this? What is this? What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Why? These are so cute. What the heck? 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 I feel so attacked right now. Look at that. Look at that. You know, it's fine. It's fine. I'm okay. I'm not, but you know, whatever. Oh, quick, someone. We gonna eat good tonight, eh? Write down that number. Write down that number. We gonna eat good tonight. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, okay. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you have a wonderful morning, night, day, wherever you are. that didn't sound right. Wherever you are, there we go. Wherever you are, and I will see you next time.